use the hair dryer. You can use the hair dryer to dry your clothes, and after ironing also they are still wet in winters because sun is not coming out, so use the hair dryer. See, you can check the difference. It's quite better than what it was. You can iron, you can see, iron and steam iron it, and it will dry. Your expensive tiffin caps will not be cut by the help, and you can just, now this one I take it out by the spoon edge. This spoon that is little thin, you just open it with this. I'll just show you. See how you can open is, just hold it and just see with the edge, just put it like this. With the edge, this thing just comes out. That's it. Now you can just pull the whole of it and wash the ring separately, and the tiffin is all clean. So remember, to take out the ring of the tiffin, you need this spoon, thin one, and fine spoon. Edge, the back of the spoon, just take it out. It is so simple, and no need to take the knife. Knife is the last resort. Another hack, sometimes the rubber gets worn off. So what you can do, the small mixer, churn it with this small bowl that we have. It fixes right on the mixer and you can churn it. I'll just show you. See, there is going to be no spill once I churn it on this mix. Rubber spills, but this will not spill. See, I'll just switch on the mixer and it is not going to spill at all. So just see, I'm just going to show you how nicely it has got churned and it did not even spill. Similarly, for the big jar, see, this has gone worn out. What you can do, what I do actually, this is proper fitting plate on this. Keep it like this and churn it. Remember not to overload it above this line or little below this so that it doesn't spill out. Keep it like this, hold it tight and churn it. And I'm telling you, it's a huge success. So do try. And it's very sometimes difficult for me to find the rubber like this. So anyhow, so this is a good hack. So do try. If you are out of the rubber and it spills out, this rubber spills out the tomato paste, so you can just see how nicely it just got churned. Not even a drop came out. So do try these lovely hacks.